Hey guys, welcome to TechToon channel. Hope you're doing well. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can connect Discord to Spotify. So let's go to user settings or this cogwheel settings first. Then you can see here connections. Click on connections and you will find here easily Spotify. Just click on Spotify and log into your Spotify account. If you don't have, just create your account by clicking on this. Just agree. Fail to connect Spotify Discord account. Sorry, wait. So this is the problem. I'm trying another account. Okay, it's already connected. You can see here. Okay, guys. So this is how you can connect your Spotify account to Discord. So, guys, if you find this video helpful, then please give a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much for watching the video.